where the fuck have you been? So we're back in the studio, and finally the gang is all here, back together, apart from Mamba. There's probably quite a few faces watching this channel now, so you might not know who everyone is, and if you don't, here they are. This is Tony.
Huh? Oh yeah, hi!
Tony handles our sponsored content, because regular ad reads just get skipped straight away, and at least when Tony's doing it, people can point and laugh at the funny little man. So, White Mamba, aka Liquid Snake, who isn't here for health and safety purposes, is my working from home assistant. He's great, he's also deaf, so he shouts a lot, and generally likes to smash my stuff and get paint on him. And speaking of health and safety, returning to us from fuck knows where, health and safety frog, Hector. Yeah, he's in charge of health and safety, and basically things have been getting a little bit lax and a little bit dangerous since he's been gone. But as you can see, he's happy to be back and getting on with some health and safety stuff. And of course, he's also back just in time for us to show off the MS Paints merchandise.
Sick!
What? Yes, we put you on t-shirts while you were away. We didn't know whether you were coming back, so we waited for you to come back. Yeah, okay, no, okay, we'll talk about it later on. Royalties and shit, we'll talk about it later on, Chief. Okay, so, shirt number 1. Fucking hell, there's cat hair on it already. These are brand new. They've literally come out of the box. How is there mamba hair on there? I am not manufacturing and distributing these, by the way, so yours will not have cat hair on. Shirt number 1. Proud and beautiful. In a cool 80s vibe. Designers for myself, of course. Because provided you're not a complete human swab test, we should all be proud and beautiful. There's cat hair on this as well. They've been sat in a fucking box. It's bad enough the fucking cat hairs in my food, let alone on the... I'm gonna shave the little bastard. Hector, health and safety frog. Let's be honest, this one needs no explanation. Only that it's a fucking cool t-shirt. Shirt number 3, and devoid of any cat hair, the cream of the World Wrestling Federation crop is this t-shirt, painting with tremors. This was designed by my friend Alan at zon_arts on Instagram. Check him out, absolutely amazing commission artist. Yeah, I mean, it's basically the tremors poster, but instead of the tremors, it's got a hand with tremors. And if you are new here, that might need explaining. Basically, MS Paint stands for multiple sclerosis. I have multiple sclerosis, which makes me tremor when I paint. So I am constantly painting with tremors. There we go.
Oh, I thought the MS in MS Paints was your initials.
Yes, my name, Mikhail Swarovski. No, it does stand for multiple sclerosis. Just FYI, this is possibly the smartest, funniest thing I've ever come up with. So if you're not going to buy it, at least laugh at it for me, please. Please. We replaced Kevin Bacon and Fred Ward with Mamba and Hector, and then we popped in the classic cardboard Gorka Morka scenery in there, you know, as well as just a few of the little knickknacks for extra banter points. So these t-shirts are all available right now for pre-order on the Snaz Dragon website, which is here and in the description below. So check out Snaz Dragon now if you want to bag your pre-order, because I imagine they're going to go fast. Fucking hope they're going to go fast. As you can imagine, this video has been a long time coming, and it has taken quite a long time to make despite its jankiness. And I would like to thank the very patient Health and Safety Frog Hector fans for their not so patience. And I would like to thank Snaz Dragon for coming forward and inviting MS Paints to be part of its stellar t-shirt lineup. And more than anything, I would like to thank my patrons, old, new and current and in future, for their unwavering support in making this channel what it is today. Largely in part, and mostly because of them, I am so close to getting this channel being my full-time thing. And yes, that is the video. I tried various times to bolt that sequence of Hector coming back on the end of other videos, but it just felt like it needed its own thing. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out, because we have got plenty more shit coming before the year's out. Cheers, I'm out of here.
Howdy, 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 what the rueda dancer. Howdy, 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 what the rueda dancer. Howdy, 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 what the rueda Poco de rueda del sol, un poquito de benzina para tu lindo coche. Juanito el mecánico.